bucket. For today's video, I put a poll up on the YouTube community tab with 3 choices. You guys selected the RENIX engine teardown without an engine span. I appreciate everyone's feedback and all the votes. I'm going to keep doing stuff like this. Let me know what you want to see. I appreciate all the support. Let's get to it. Butter neck off. That's interesting. And mildly painful. There's our thermostat amp, goes right here. Take the crank off. Oh, right in the coolant bucket. Don't have a puller for this, so I think I'm gonna do this part later. Start taking all the stuff off from intake, valve cover, etc., etc. Keep loosen intake bolts. Doing that. This one comes with a spider egg nest. Top ones are normally always easier. Bottom ones are a bit interesting, so I'm gonna see how similar it is to the other 4 that we've taken apart, and I'll try to get you in here to see it. There's a series of bolts kind of hidden up under the intake. Now, this is 10 times worse doing it in a car. That's what they look like. They have a large washer to hold the intake and exhaust. And I'm going to get that with a wrench. Yep. Okay. Small ratchet wrench up on the bolt. You might be able to see. I did put 1 bolt back in the upper mounting flange just in case. Okay. Take this one holding bolt off. And our intake is free. It's actually stuck on the bracing that I have for the engine to be on the cart. Now we'll take the valve cover off. Sludgy, but not horrible. So like I was saying, there's a decent amount of sludge. Not horrible. Everything is okay. And then we'll take the rockers off. Push rods aren't bad, rockers really weren't bad. And that is a lot of carbon. Rockers aren't horrible. I don't know if you can see before, but there is a lot of carbon on there. And we'll pull the head studs off, of course, bigger size. I would be doing this in a sequence if I was using any of this. That was on there. Figured the head would be quite a bit. And take the distributor bolt off. Yes, I de-glued it quite a bit to get it to this point. And there's the bracket. And there's your little bitty distributor. Scrap truck. It's not horrible. It's a shame nobody wanted it, but I have too many of them and I don't need another one. I don't have an engine stand, so I likely pick it up with the cherry picker and flip it over on its top on this cart. And we're going to pull the lifters out of the boards. Oh, I was going to show you what they look like. They're not that bad. There's a lot of stuff online, but not a lot about actually, nobody's showing this being removed. You get a harmonic balancer puller, insert the 3 bolts into it, and you just gently tighten it. If this was mine, it would be oiled more, but this is not my tool, I'm not going to do that. And you just gently do this. You don't want a lot of drag. If it's very stiff, you're going to want to take your time and or find another way to do it. You don't want to damage it. I would not suggest using power tools on this. And there we go. Pop the timing cover bolts off. So that must go into a water net because it's got some goo on it. I'm sorry, a water passage. One here. One there, and yeah, I'm gonna have to flip it over to get those. So the plan is to pick it up, gently tilt it, get the rest of the coolant that I can out. I've already drained the oil. And I will have fun flipping it. That should be entertaining. I do not have an engine stand. Lay the engine over on its on the driver's side. In theory. Finish flipping it. So it took some finagling and some repositioning, but it's down. I'm definitely gonna have to buy an engine stand. I'll take the front oil pan bolts off and hopefully take the timing cover off. If I'm lucky, I'll take the cam out, or I take the pan off, but we'll see how it goes. I have a drain pan. Cover their can nuts off. Tension spring and tensioner. cam. There we go. Chain. There's our distributor right here. There's our cam. Take the mount off, oil filter assembly off. Hopefully it'll break the mains loose, take the crank shaft out, and then knock the pistons out, and this can go in for scrap, unfortunately. We'll take the oil pan off. A couple different sizes on these. Let's see which one's which here. Those are all 13s. This is probably going to be gooey. I do not recommend doing this way. You have the option. Right in the oil bucket. Well, I have 3 oil pan bolts that do not want to come off. Their heads are rusted off enough that I can't get anything on a metric standard. And they're on the bottom, of course, so I'm going to flip the motor on its top and just probably peel the pan back and take everything apart. Probably cut the piece of the pan off that I need to get rid of. Again, this isn't an engine I'm saving. This is unfortunately junk, so. Took about forever, but grease the oil pan. Start taking the internals apart with the oil pump. They're scored. Still want to run. It's actually pretty clean. Warm. Not bad for 140,000 miles. Crank is out. To the scrap it goes. Take the battery side motor mount off and the oil filter assembly. Motor mount has one Torx bit, which I already took off because these are always so much fun. Bucket. Just everything's off the side. I'm gonna put it back on its bottom and take the pistons out, and then I will tow this gooey mess to the Comanche for scrapping. And there's one 99% dismantled 4-liter RENIX engine. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm going to keep doing stuff like this. I appreciate all the support and all the feedback. This is a little sneak peek of what's coming up in the future. I'm tearing down my 2-door Cherokee for all the parts that I need for my Chandler. Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell thing. Thanks for watching.